Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. Today we are going to start past continuous tense. First of all, I will let you know that what continuous tense is. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. So we can say that this tense describes actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. These actions are usually no longer happening at the time the sentence is being said or written. After the definition, we will learn the identification of past continuous tense, then the formation of all the sentences of past continuous tense. Okay, first of all, the identification in Urdu sentences. When an Urdu sentence ends with raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, etc., it means the sentence is in past continuous tense. So we will follow the rules and regulations of how we have to translate the past continuous tense sentences in English. First of all, I will let you know the formation of affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, the sentence structure will be subject, then helping verb will become according to the past tense like was, or verb according to the subject. Then first form of verb will be used with ing. Then comes object and the remaining part of the sentence. For example, मैं दूध पी रहा था. I was drinking milk. वो झूठ बोल रहा था. He was telling a lie. Now we will learn the formation of negative sentences of past continuous tense. As we all know that in negative sentences we use not. So when we are going to translate past continuous sentence, first of all the subject will come, then the helping verb will be used was and were, then comes not, then we will use first form of verb with ing, then comes the object, and if there is any other details we use the remaining part of the sentence, etc. For example, हम खाना नहीं खा रहे थे. We were not eating food. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा था. I was not telling a lie. Now we will move towards interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, as you know that whenever you are going to make interrogative sentences, we will start that sentence with helping verb or question word. So if we are going to translate past continuous tense in English and the sentence is interrogative, so the helping verb was and were which we use in these sentences will come at the start of the sentence. Then subject will come, then verb with first form of verb with ing, then come the object. Example like क्या वो झूठ बोल रहा था? Was he telling a lie? So some sentences are of such kind that in which negative and interrogative both are used simultaneously. So when we have to translate that sentences in English, we definitely use the helping verb at the start of the sentence and not after the subject. So the formation of negative interrogative sentences will be, first of all we will use was and were, then subject, then not, then first form of verb with ing, then comes object, and then at the end if there is any other detail we will write it out. And the most important thing that whenever we are going to translate the interrogatives or negative interrogative sentences, we will put question mark at the end of the sentence. Another example is given for this like क्या वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा था? Was he not telling a lie? So students, you have learnt all the formation of these tenses And I think so it's quite clear to you that there is a little bit difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Just the difference is all the sentence structure is just the same. Only the difference is of helping verbs. Because when we are going to translate present continuous tense, we use the helping verb is, are, am according to the subject, and which denotes the situation that that action is happening in the present. But when we are talking about the past continuous tense, we use helping verb was and were according to the tense. So this is the only difference which can switch on the one tense to the other tense. So you can learn these tenses very easily by just keeping these things in your mind, because the sentence structure remains the same. Only the difference is of helping verb. You will format your sentences accordingly, like subject, then helping verb, then object, first form of verb with ing, then object. So it's quite easy to learn these tenses, and you can grip the yourself on tenses. So now I'm going to give you an assignment so that you can solve these sentences yourself, and you learn you just practice that how much you learn from this video. Here is an exercise for you students. Past continuous tense, translate these into English. बच्चे बाग में भाग रहे थे, बढ़ई एक मेज़ बना रहा था, वो अपना घर का काम कर रहे थे. नंबर 4, लड़के नहर में तैर रहे थे, लड़कियां गाना गा रही नहीं गा रही थीं. नंबर 6, लकड़हारा लकड़ियां नहीं काट रहा था, तुम अपने दांत साफ नहीं कर रहे थे, हम गांव नहीं जा रहे थे, क्या लड़कियां खेल रही थीं, क्या वो पढ़ नहीं रहे थे. Students, when you will translate these sentences into English, definitely you will follow the rules which you have learned to form the sentences of past continuous tense, and you will assess yourself that how much you have learned the rules, and how much your vocabulary is good. So do this practice, and learn past continuous tense, rules of past continuous tense very accurately. Okay students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.